Welcome back into Main Street Living. Now, I think it's safe to say that one of the first things we usually notice about people we meet is their smile, which is why we all want to have a healthy, beautiful smile. But unfortunately, life does not always work out that way.
True. But a healthy smile is so much more important than just to make us look good. An unhealthy mouth can lead to an unhealthy body. Dr. Aldo Espinosa with Bonita Del Rey Dental Care is here to give us some information about dental implants. Welcome, Dr. Espinosa.
Hey guys, how are you? Thanks for having me. It's great to be here.
Hi.
It's great to have you. So,
Same here.
what exactly are dental implants and how are they different from dentures?
Well, a dental implant is a replacement, a permanent replacement when somebody is losing or is going to lose a tooth. So just think about it like if you don't have a tooth anymore, then a dental implant will replace that one tooth permanently in your mouth. Nothing that you take in and out, just like having your own tooth one more time again. And it's very dental implant from a denture is like very different. A regular denture as we know it, like the ones that grandma and grandpa used to have or they still have, maybe it's something that is removable in the mouth. It's like actually I have one here. So this is like, this is the actual denture. So
Oh,
this comes in and comes out of somebody's mouth, and as you can see, fairly like kind of bulky and stuff. Dental implant is totally something different. It's something that you will feel, use, and look like a natural tooth, and you never take them in. You never take it out. It's always in your mouth. So that's a huge difference between a dental implant and a regular denture.
oh my gosh, it sounds so much better too. And because I would assume having that bulky piece in your mouth would really mess with your speech. And so I know a lot of people don't want that as well. What are some other benefits of dental implants?
Well, there's so many benefits to a dental implant that probably will just like I will probably never stop talking about it. But one of the main ones is number one, it keeps you from losing your jawbone. Over time when you're losing teeth, you keep losing your jawbone,
Ooh.
and dental implants will prevent that from happening. Then it will also let you actually look and function socially and even when eating and like you used to do, like 100%. So with a denture, you really just, statistically, you can with a denture you can eat like 10% of what you used to.
Hmm.
With dental implants, you're closer, like really, really close to like a natural tooth. So socially and health wise, it's like huge difference in somebody's lives.
Wow. And it sounds like it must be obviously a completely different process to create something like a dental implant as opposed to the denture. So how long does it take?
Yes, it's a completely different process. Actually, denture is that's technology that was invented in 1930s. So imagine, somebody using right nowadays something that was invented in the 1930s and still the same technology with this. So it's like getting a Model T car and instead of a Tesla right now. So dental implants is totally different. It's like the newest thing in the world. It's great. And it with the way we have it developed here at Bonita Del Rey Dental, we can have somebody, walk with this in the morning in our office, and we can put dental implants and a set of permanent teeth in their mouth in the same day. So, with the process that we developed, the technology that we have, you can walk in the morning with no teeth, and you walk in the afternoon with a set of teeth in your mouth.
Oh my gosh. So it sounds like that this can help when you have multiple teeth missing. Can you do multiple teeth or multiple implants in one day? And what will this feel like to the patient?
Yes, it's like where implants really shine is when somebody's missing multiple teeth or all of their teeth in the mouth. That's when really people lives change when they go through this process. And how does it feel? It's like, I guess, the best way to describe it or the best way to know is just go through patient testimonials. Just go through what actual people say, how they feel, after they finally make their effort and they're brave enough to go through this. And when they do it, that's when they really their life change. It's a totally different thing. I mean, they can eat, they can go out with friends, they learn to smile again, they're not self-conscious anymore. So it's a lot of changes on our patients when they go through this.
Yeah, I imagine, as you're saying, it helps people feel more confident about what they're doing, and also makes them more healthy, as you talked about a little bit before. But it sounds as if, as well, that it would be really important to find the right dentist to do the dental implant. So what should people be looking for when they're trying to find someone to do this important work?
Yeah, well, like with any medical profession, it's really important that you choose the right professional to take care of yourself for your specific situation. There's a few questions that you might or you need want to ask your dentist before you go through dental implants with them. Of course, one of the most important one is the experience of the dentist. I mean, actually, the experience with implants of the dentist, because you can have a dentist has 20 years experience, but doing some other things, like other things in dentistry, fillings and cleanings and whatnot. But actually, how many implants does this dentist place in their life, and how many implants do the implants like actually routinely place? Um, like me personally, the only thing that I do now is only implants. Day in, day out. That's the only thing that I do. So it's really highly specialized on that. Another really important question is somebody's going to, this is also really important. Need to ask your implant dentist if they have a 3D scan in their office. A 3D scan is a special X-ray machine that is paramount for somebody to use and for safety when they do a dental implant. So experience, technology is really, really important. And of course, you need to have the right person that really cares about you to take care of.
Yes, absolutely. And I can tell you not only have the credentials, but you also care very much about your patients. And you gave great information for our viewers who are not in Southern California to find someone near them, but for our viewers who are in your local area, how can they get in touch?
Those are different ways of getting in touch nowadays. I mean, the easiest ways, like for everybody, just Google somebody's name and find it. But if you go to our website, it's bonitadelrey.com, and Bonita Del Rey, just type it and you'll find it. You'll find it all over the place. You find it on social media and YouTube.
Perfect.
You find us online, and it's the easiest place to get a hold of us.
All right. We have that information on the screen. Thank you so much for joining us today. We appreciate it.
Thank you, guys. Nice to meet you.
You too. All right, Valerie, now that we are flashing our healthy gums and our pearly whites, next on Main Street Living, we will shed some light on how to keep our communities healthy. So stay right there.